Found an ES file in a web development project? This is a source code file written in the language that powers the modern web. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, and run these ECMAScript JavaScript source files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional ES file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. ES files are source code files written in ECMAScript, the standardized specification underlying JavaScript. They contain modern JavaScript code using ES6+ features, including arrow functions, template literals, destructuring modules, classes promises, and async await patterns for web application and Node.js server development. ECMAScript ES files use plain UTF-8 text encoding with JavaScript syntax, following the ECMA 262 specification. The format supports ES module, import-export statements, JSX extensions for React frameworks, and TypeScript-compatible syntax. Files may require transpilation via Babel for browser compatibility with older environments. For full editing functionality, ES requires Visual Studio Code, which is supplied by Microsoft Corporation. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows can reveal the source, but running the script requires the correct command line environment. To unlock the data, right-click the ES file and select Open With. Test Visual Studio Code if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. If your ES file will not open, do not worry. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, opening and editing. Open the ES file in Visual Studio Code with JavaScript and ESLint extensions installed for syntax highlighting autocompletion and real-time error checking. The editor recognizes ECMAScript module syntax and provides IntelliSense for modern JavaScript features. Notepad++ with JavaScript syntax highlighting also provides basic editing capabilities. Next, running ES modules. Execute ES files using Node.js by running node file name.es in the terminal. For ES module syntax, ensure your package JSON includes type module or rename the file with an MJS extension. For browser execution, include the file in an HTML page with a script tag using type module for native ES module loading. Finally, transpiling for compatibility. Use Babel to transpile modern ECMAScript syntax to ES5 for broad browser compatibility. Install Babel with npm install Babel core Babel cli Babel preset env and configure a Babel config JSON file. Run npx Babel file name.es outfile output.js to generate compatible JavaScript that works in older browser environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.